beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you're new here, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you can get notifications when I post a new video. So thank you so much guys for the love that you guys have shown me so far. I have not been online, I have not been active here, but I see the numbers rising up. Like, it's so amazing. I really don't know what video is blowing up my video, but it's actually so amazing. And I've seen all of your comments, and trust me guys, I am making efforts to making all the videos that you guys want me to make. So if you guys have watched my previous video of my skincare routine video, you know that I love the Dudu soap. Like, it's my go-to any day, anytime. Like, it's my holy grail. This soap is the holy grail for me. I can't stop using this soap. Even when I tried to use this CeraVe soap, it didn't even work for me. This CeraVe soap did not work for me at all. It didn't work for me at all. Not that it doesn't work. There are some people, probably if I try another CeraVe, it would work. But this is their foaming facial cleanser, and it didn't work for me. I've been using it for a while. I finished one, and this is the second one that I bought. And I thought maybe, it's when you if you use it consistently and all that stuff, I kept having the blackheads and everything. The moment I switched back to Dudu osun, in less than a week I saw results, and then I decided that okay, maybe the high-end products are not good for me. Maybe the 350 soap that is okay for me, and this 10,000 naira CeraVe is not good for me. So I actually ditched it. Not that the CeraVe is not good. I've seen a lot of reviews. I've seen a lot of people make videos about CeraVe, and I'm not a dermatologist. I'm not a skincare expert. I only just, share my own skincare journey with people. If you can learn from it. I'm not telling you that the products that I use are the best. I'm not telling you that if you use the products that I use, it will work for you. I'm not telling you to ditch any products. Just do what works for your skin. The first thing is to determine your skin type and know the kind of products that will work for you. You can try different products. I have tried different products. You can also try different products and stick to the ones that work best for you. So the next thing I use is rose water. I use this Ghunu effect rose water. I love this rose water. I use it on my clients too when I'm doing makeup, and it's amazing. It's beautiful. I don't like to use anything so harsh on my skin because my skin is quite sensitive, so I prefer to use like the basic products for my skin. So another product that I use is this Dr. Rashel vitamin C serum, my holy grail vitamin C serum. I had to even add their face cream, and this face cream is beautiful. And somebody has actually complained about this face cream to me, saying that sometimes it's always casting white and all that stuff. Please be careful where you buy your products from. If you're not buying from a skincare store, not beauty store, like a proper skincare store, buying from Med Plus, buying from Ebano, buying from buying directly from Jumia or something. I don't think you should just buy your skincare products anywhere. You have to. I'm going to make a video on places you can buy skincare products in at least probably 4 states. I'll make a video on that. I'll make findings and know where you guys can actually get good products in Nigeria. So for moisturizer, this is the moisturizer that I use. It's the Blossom Moist Essence Cream Moisturizer with hyaluronic acid. This moisturizer is amazing. It's so amazing and really affordable. How much did I even buy it? I think I bought it for like 3,500 naira. You can get it on their store on Instagram. You can get it from Makeup Quarters. You can get it from a lot of places. I don't think they are not fake. This product does not have a fake, so I don't think you can actually buy the fake and stuff. So it's either you get where they sell it or you don't get where they sell it. So for sunscreen, this is what I use. I use my sunscreen. I use the Aqua Essence Misha sunscreen. I'll drop the price list of all the products that I use on the screen or in my description box So I stopped using that Gavia sunblock because it used to cast white on my face a lot, and then it was so stressful blending out. It's actually a very good sunscreen, and it's quite affordable. But if you can go through the stress of blending and blending, yeah, you can use it. But if you cannot go through the stress of blending and blending, I would just advise you to go for any other sunscreen. I'm also going to be making videos on different sunscreens that you guys can use. So before now, I only used water to wash my face and moisturize my skin alone so that my face doesn't look ashy in the video. So now I'm going to be using my Dudu osun soap. So I'm going to show you guys how I actually use this Dudu osun soap. So guys, first thing I do is to wet my face first before I actually wash my face with the Dudu osun soap. As you can see, I'm washing it in a circular motion, washing so fast. Now we have to wash our face, and I use the rose water on my face. I sprayed it all over my face, and right now I'm using the rashel vitamin C serum, just a pump, like 2 pumps, to just I'm applying that on my skin, as you can see, underneath my eyes, everywhere. Don't forget the neck roll. And guys, the products that you use on your face should also go on your lips, I guess. That's what I've been doing, and it has also been helping my lips too. So I'm applying the vitamin C face cream. I love this face cream. The gel formula gives me so much chill, like it's so amazing. Don't forget the neck roll, the hair roll, so you don't have like a different shade on your face and another shade on your neck, and it helps all your neck also look amazing, and your hairs look amazing too, I guess. So now I'm using my moisturizer. I love this moisturizer. It's in gel form. It's beautiful. So right now, guys, I'm using my sunscreen. As you can see, I applied on 2 fingers, and I'm applying all over my face. I'm just going to give it a blend, a really nice blend. Don't forget your hairs and your neck. It's really important that you apply this all over your face. My skin has never been like this. I'll drop a video, maybe a picture of how my skin used to look like up somewhere. Like, I'm so grateful, guys. You have to be patient with your skin and your skincare routine. It may take a while, but your skin will actually come alive and all that stuff. So please take good care and be patient with your skin. So beautiful people, we've come to the end of today's video. If you love this video, please give it a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and do not forget to turn on the notification bell so you can get notifications when I post a new video. So guys, like I said previously, I am not a dermatologist, I'm not a skincare expert. I just love to share my skincare experience with everybody, and the products that I use might not work for you, so you have to find out your skin type and find out products that work for your skin type. You can try out different products until you find out the one that really works for you. With skincare, you have to be patient. Like, you really have to be patient. Like I said, with the CeraVe soap, I used it twice. This is my second CeraVe that I am buying, and it still did not work for me. I had to be patient with it to see if it was gonna actually really work. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions, drop a comment in the comment section. If you want me to make a particular video for you, please drop a comment in the comment section. Till next time, don't forget that I love you and God loves you more. Bye.